Hello students. Today we will start our topic sequencing problem. First, we will understand the meaning of the sequencing problem. So, the selection of an appropriate order for a series of jobs to be done on a finite number of machines is called sequencing. We determine the order of performing the jobs in such a way that the total involved cost may be minimum. That means इन सीक्वेंसिंग प्रॉब्लम हमारे पास बहुत सारी जॉब्स हैं और हमें उन जॉब्स के लिए उनके टाइम गिवन है. फॉर दिस हमें करना क्या है, हमें अपनी जॉब की एक राइट सीक्वेंस को फाइंड करना है सो दैट द कॉस्ट इन्वॉल्व्ड मे बी मिनिमम. नाउ suppose there are n jobs which have to be processed one at a time each of the m machines, say A, B, C up to m machines. Now the time required by these jobs on each of the machines is also given. दैट मीन्स सपोज करिए हमारे पास n जॉब हैं जिनको क्या करना है, प्रोसेस करना है ऑन डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मशीन्स, जिनको क्या बोला है हमने, A, B, C. नाउ द टाइम रिक्वायर्ड बाय दीज जॉब्स, दैट मीन्स जब ये जॉब डिफरेंट मशीन्स पर वर्क करेंगी तो इनके जो प्रोसेसिंग टाइम है दैट इज़ गिवन टू अस. Now our main problem is to find the sequence of the jobs which optimizes the total time elapsed from the start of the first job to the completion of the last job. That means क्या है sequencing problem? That means हमें अपनी job की sequence को find करना है. Through this total time elapsed from the start of the first job to the completion of the last job should be minimum. Okay, so now we see the structure of the sequencing problem. Now the structure of the sequencing problem is that, see in this example we have different jobs, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have two machines A and B. Now if job 1 is processing on machine A, time taken by this job is 2 hours. Okay, so different jobs have different times. Okay, this is the structure of the sequencing problem. Now in our syllabus we have sequencing problem for n jobs on 2 machines. Okay, now we will discuss about this. See, we have sequencing problem for n jobs on 2 machines. Okay, now this problem can be described as follows. See, number 1, only 2 machines A and B are involved. That means if we have n jobs and 2 machines, so that means they will be processed in the order A and B. Now the expected processing time are also given. So in this we have job 1, 2 up to n and the machines A and B. Now time taken by the job 1 on machine A, it is A1. Time taken by job 2, it is A2. Similarly up to AN. Now time taken by job 1 on machine 2, it is B1. So up to B1, B2, B3 up to Bn. Okay, now we will find the solution of these sequencing problem. The solution of the sequencing problem is given by Johnson in 1954. Okay, now see the steps for the solution of the sequencing problem given by Johnson is that, first, rule number 1, we will find the minimum time. First, we will find minimum time, whether it is on machine A, whether it is on machine B. First, we will find minimum time. If it is for the machine A, then we will put the job in the left side. Okay, first we will find the minimum time. If it is coming from machine A, then we will put it from left side. Okay, then if it is coming for machine B, then we will put the job in the right side. Okay, now the next rule is that if there is a tie on the processing time of machine 1 and 2, that means if there is a tie in the times, then we will add these times. If this time is lowest time for the machine 1, then we will put in the left side, and if it is lowest for machine 2, then we will put on right side. The rule is that, right? Now see one problem which is based on this rule. See, this is our problem. Solve the following sequencing problem by Johnson algorithm. See, we have two machines A and B, and we have different jobs. How many jobs in it? We have 5 jobs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the processing time for these different types of jobs is also given. Right? Now we will start the solution. First, find the minimum time, and it is represented by Tij. I stands for row and J stands for column. So minimum time, that is 1, and it is on machine A. Okay, it is on machine A. How many jobs we have? We have 5 jobs. So we will make 5 boxes, and now minimum time 1 is for machine A. So we will put it on left side. So job 2 is placed on left side. Okay. Now we will reduce the list of processing times. Okay. If we have placed job 2, so we will ignore it. Now the reduced matrix is this. Okay. Again find minimum Tij, that is 2. Now this is 2, and it is for machine B, and on job 1. So we will put it right side. Okay, again ignore it. Now we will delete it. Now reduce list of processing time. This is, again find minimum Tij, that is 4. That is 3, and it is for job 4 and on machine A. So again we will write the job 4 on left side. Now again reduce list. It is, now find minimum time. This is 4. We will put it, because it is on machine B. So we will write on right side. Okay. Now reduced list of the processing time is this. So this is the optimal sequence. Now we will find the total elapsed time. Okay. For this we will prepare one table which is known as the time analysis table. Right. For this, first we will make columns. Column number 1 stands for job, and column number 2 stands for machine A. In this we will make 2 parts, time in, time out for the machine A. Again next column is for machine B. Again we will divide it into 2 parts, time in, time out, and the last column